Hi, wonderful teachers. Time for another Buzz tip of the week. I just wanted to check in with everybody to make sure that you are aligning your session numbers between Matrix, Genius, and Buzz to make sure that you are charting in the correct session number so that you don't skip anything for the day, because as you know, charting is one of the most important things that we do for our job. So I just wanted to go through that with you. So when you come in, or when you start your day every morning, you should come in and look at the classes you have and take note of what session that you are on. So if I am going to have class with Graham today, I should be doing session number 14 out of 25 total sessions. If this number in the fraction, the denominator, if that number is anything other than 25 or 30, you should email Eric and Chris right away, because something is missing or wrong with that class, unless it's a partial semester class. Like if they did half a semester at a public school and they're finishing out here, then it's usually 13 or 15. But again, anything other than 25 or 30, check with them. If it says 26, 27, 28, definitely want to check with them. There's something off with that. So anything other than 25 or 30, email Eric and Chris and get that figured out. So today it says for May 6th, Wednesday, I should be teaching session 14 out of 25 for Graham. So then I need to go into my class and see what session number that I will be charting for that one right here, session 14. I charted session 13 on May 4th, which was Monday. So now I have to do session 14 today. So that matches up. And then I go to my Genius charting where I type in the narrative for the parents so that gets sent home. And again, I did session 13 on May 4th, which was Monday. So today, May 6th, I will be charting session 14. So just make it a good habit to do that every day for all of your classes, just to double check, because if you get behind and you don't notice that you skipped something and you've had 10 sessions after that, it's going to be a lengthy process in order to get that charting all set up and organized again with the correct session numbers. So if you have questions on that, you can go to your department head, or you can come to Amy Lee, or come to myself, the Buzz Super User, and I can help you straighten that out. So any other questions, just feel free to contact me. Happy charting!